Hey friends, coming to you from my backyard that is currently a shit show. I'm gonna come up with these puns this whole time, okay guys? Because Saturday there was a water line broken and we thought it was just the water line, right? And it needed a really big hole dug. So we had to wait for today when the crew came back. Well, that means no running water in the house, can't flush the toilets, no showers, dry shampoo going on right here. And yeah, it's been not great. Ugh, sorry. But they made a lot of progress on the backyard already, so I wanted to show it to you guys. So right now, we're actually having our septic tanks dug up because some of you don't know, I live out in an area that we don't have normal sewer. So we're out here in an unincorporated area, part of Corona, and we live on an acre. So we have septic. We have two septic tanks actually. So let me turn you guys around just to see what's happening here. So we have the backhoe going, digging holes. This hole's been dug, and another bobcat. We took the coping off of all of the pool, and the pool is super filthy now, but it's all gone. And if you can see, hey, why do we have water right there? Not sure. But this is because of the broken line that we had. So they're digging these holes and digging up the septic system. And my whole backyard is, it looks like a bomb went off, right? It's not good. Not good, not good. And we haven't had bathrooms. So there's that too. So the backyard is currently thrashed. It's gonna get worse before it gets better, that's for sure. And they're digging up the second septic tank now so that hopefully we can flush a toilet. Otherwise, I'm coming to somebody's house to take a shower. Literally, my nail lady, Teresa, God bless her, she lives here in Corona, and she said I could come over and take a shower because this dry shampoo dealio is not working for me. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what's happening at my house. This is construction. We Calderons love to be around construction and all the craziness that goes with it. So this is my situation, and it'll get better. I promise it will. I just gotta be patient, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Check out the conversations happening here and the destruction, right? Ugh. No good. This is what's happening. The yard looks bigger though, right? With all of it gone. Too many different levels of cement. And now they're even ripping up the gazebo area too. But yeah, it's a mess. So say a prayer for me that we have water again in our house. That'd be great. Say a prayer that I can take a shower. And even better, flush the toilets. That'd be awesome. So that we don't have to go out to eat and then be like, ooh, go to the bathroom, hurry, hurry. So anyways, guys, see you later. I may be coming to one of your guys' houses to take a shower. Not too sure. See you guys later.